Suspended Bamban Mayor Alice Go was not homeschooled, nor did she grow up on a farm, according to Senator Sherwin Gatchalian. During the hearing of the Senate panel on women, Gatchalian presented Go's school documents revealing that he and the embattled local official, in fact, studied in the same school.
Kaya mayroong mga tips na lumabas sa amin at papakita ko ito para makatulong rin sa inyo. Apparently, si Go Huaping or si Alice Go hindi lumaki sa farm. Hindi rin siya homeschooled. Nag-aral ho siya. And I'll show you the proof. No, dahil nga lumabas sa hearing yung totoong pangalan niya, nag-aral siya sa parehas kong school, sa Grace Christian High School, for grades 1, 2, and 3.
Gatchalian's revelation contradicts Go's earlier claims that she was raised on a farm and was only homeschooled by a certain teacher, Rubilin.
2000 to 2003. No? So, hindi siya homeschool ni Rubilin. Nag-aral ho talaga ho siya. No? And nung natatandaan ko, sa school ho namin walang farm ho doon. Puro building ho. No?
According to Gatchalian, documents attached to Go's enrollment forms include an alien birth certificate of registration, which matches what was provided earlier by the Bureau of Immigration. Along with the enrollment document is a birth certificate from China translated into English. The embattled local official skipped the Senate's Wednesday probe on her alleged involvement with illegal pogo firm Zunyuan Technology, citing death threats and malicious accusations as the reasons why she is presently stressed and anxious.